Hi everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that bell notification to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now let's jump into this. I've had a lot of requests on what's the best way for placement when working with ProMade fans. This topic is extremely important for me to talk about because if your placement isn't on point, you won't have the best retention with your clients, and we all know retention is literally the most important thing in our business. If your clients experience poor retention, they will waste no time and find another lash tech and will cause us to lose business, and that's the last thing that we need. So to prevent this from happening, I found 2 techniques that I personally do that will help you with your placement and will help you lash faster in your full sets or fills. Before we get started, you want to make sure that the under eye pads and tape are secure and comfortable for your client. I always ask them how they feel before I proceed, so this way, I know if I have to adjust them accordingly. Next, I always prime my girls' natural lashes before every full set. This will also help your girls have better retention because you know there's nothing to prevent the ProMades from sticking, and the natural lashes are completely stripped from any residue or oil. I also want to cover the tweezers that I am going to be working with in this video. That I've had a lot of people ask me what the best tweezers are for working with ProMade fans. I've recently just bought Paris Lash Academy's entire tweezer collection. She's having a deal right now. If you buy 3 tweezers, you get a free magnetic case for only $50. The P7s are my favorite for isolation, and the P6s are my go-to for volume tweezers. And let me just mention how genius it is to have a measurement of millimeters at the end of all of our tweezers. If you would like for me to drop a review video on her tweezer collection and also her ProMade fans, please leave a comment down below and I can definitely release one for you guys sometime next week. I also bought their glue, which is what I'll be using in this video. I was a little nervous using a different glue, but I've been hearing a lot of good things about this brand. I'm super picky with glues, and I can tell within my sets if I like a glue or not by seeing if the lashes end up just popping off halfway through the set or even immediately. I do have my room temperature regulated, so I was confident testing this product out, and I didn't experience the lashes not sticking. They actually bonded pretty fast. I placed the first few on top of the natural lash to show you that they can slide right off because there is no contact point, which you see that I have to keep replacing. All extensions need to have a contact point, and ProMades are a little tricky because they tend to be a tad bit more curlier for some reason, which I've been noticing in comparison to Russian Volume or a classic lash extension. ProMades are super popular in the lash industry. They cut half your time down and they are great for beginners, but it's extremely important to know how to work with them. I'm now going to place them on the side of the natural lash, where you can see how they can stick better and they don't move or slide off. They are just completely secure. All right, you guys, please let me know if you have any questions. You can comment them down below. I do my best to respond to all of you as quickly as I can. Please don't forget to add that Facebook support group, Lash Therapy. I hope you enjoy watching this relaxing tutorial, and don't forget to watch till the end to see the end results.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one, 'cause you are the only one, the only one, 'cause you are the only one. You know that it's killing me. Why'd you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain,
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this relaxing tutorial and found this video helpful. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. If you would like a discount for any Paris Lash Academy supplies, be sure to use promo code all lowercases Lash Therapy at checkout. I will see you all soon.